Are you trying to climb?
No, don't way.
Oh, I'll help you. I go.
No.
Now what?
No.
Huh? What are you doing?
Flying.
You're flying? How are you flying?
I'm flying.
Hmm? What?
Milk.
You want your milk? What do you say?
Please.
Okay. Good girl. You have to sit down if you're going to drink that, darling. Because you can't get it. You need to tip it right up. Come and sit up here with Mummy. No? You're going to lie on the floor instead. And put your head back.